Study Legal.
Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Sanjita and you're watching Legal Studies. So in today's video, we are going to learn about the labor law and some important acts of the labor law. So moving forward, let's start with the general concept of law. Law is nothing but a set of rules and regulation and norms to regulate the behavior of human beings. So labor law is a branch of law. It regulates the industry, the employment, the regulations, and the relations between employer and employee in any employment. It also describes the rights and liabilities of the parties, that is, employer and employee. So, the concept of law consists of a body of law, rules, regulations, and proceedings which governs the employment relationship between employer and employee. This is the concept of labor law. Moving forward with the important acts of labor law. Number 1, Minimum Wages Act 1948. Minimum Wages Act governs the fixed wages that must be paid to the skilled and unskilled labor. It is differ from state to state and a category wise or a designation, etc. Number 2, Payment of Wages Act 1936. Salary should be paid by 7th of every month. This act governs the salary of an employer should be paid till every 7th of the month. Otherwise, it will be offensible. And number 2, the act governs deduction also. All the deduction must be governed by the Payments of Wages Act only. Number 3, Equal Remuneration Act 1976. In this act, no one can be differentiate between man and a woman when they have a same qualification and a same position. For example, if you hire a person in a company in a post of quality assurance or a QA and the person is male, you are giving him a 15,000 per month, and you also hire a woman in a same position but you give only 12,000. This comes under the Equal Remuneration Act 1976. No one can be differentiate on the basis of their sex, color, race, and religion. After that, moving forward, number 4, Provident Fund Act 1952. It is also known as PF, and this act governs the provident fund and the pension during retirement. In today's era, no one is working with the government. Everyone prefer to work with the private company. So in private companies, they have to secure their retirement funds and provident fund by themselves only. It deducts 12% of a basic salary plus DA, and the employer will deduct 12 plus 1%. 12% is additional and 1% is insurance. For example, if a person have a 10,000 salary and he deducts his 12% of his provident fund, that is 1200, and the employer side will be deducted 12% plus 1%, that is 13 or 1300, and the total PF must be 1500 per month. And moving forward, number 5, Employee State Insurance Act 1948. This is also known as ESI. This is the combination of medical insurance and accidental insurance. Medical insurance must be given to the individual and the family of the individual or an employer, and accidental insurance will be given only to the individual. It deducts minimum amount of the salary or wages, that is only 75% of the wages, but the employer contributes 3.25% of the wages. So the total ESI of the month will be 4% for every month contributes in the insurance. Now moving forward, Bonus Act 1965. Bonus Act is a statutory bonus. This has to be given compulsory to the every employee of the company. Companies are giving 8.33% in a lower limit every month. If the company is in profit, it has to be give to 20%, but most of the companies are giving only 8.33%. But it should be given, it should be Act 1972. If employer works for more than 5 years in a same company, the company has to pay a gratitude amount to the person, that is 15 days extra every year. Example, if you have worked in a company for more than 10 years or 10 years, the company has to pay gratuity of 150 days extra, 15 days extra every year with the last salary of the employer. Now lastly, the Maternity Benefit Act. It is the most important act which must be known by the every woman who is working with the companies and industries. This act came into force in 1961. This act governs the right of a woman that the woman will get a maternity benefit of 26 weeks of a paid holidays, maternity holidays. If the woman has deducted the ESI from her wages, then the total paid salary will be provided by the ESI of 26 weeks. And if the woman haven't deducted the ESI, then it will be given by the employer or a company of total 26 weeks of paid maternity holidays to the woman. Thank you. If you like my video, please do like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.